Ever stared at a bonus amount in QuickBooks Payroll and wondered, wait, how exactly does this work? You're not alone. Bonuses are fantastic for boosting employee morale and rewarding hard work, but navigating the payroll process for them can feel a little, well, bonus level complicated. Think about it. Unlike regular wages, bonuses often have different tax implications. Do you just slap in the number and hope for the best? Definitely not. Incorrectly handling bonuses can lead to headaches for both you and your employees come tax season. Imagine the confusion and frustration if the taxes withheld are way off. That's why understanding the nuances of processing bonuses in QuickBooks Payroll is crucial for any business owner or payroll administrator. It ensures accuracy, compliance, and happy employees. And let's be honest, a smooth payroll process is one less thing to keep you up at night. So, whether you're a seasoned QuickBooks user looking for a refresher or a newcomer trying to wrap your head around bonus payroll, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to break down the entire process step by step, making it clear, concise, and dare I say, even a little bit exciting. We'll cover everything from setting up bonus pay types to understanding the different tax methods and running those all-important payroll reports. Let's dive in. First things first, we need to ensure you have a dedicated bonus pay type set up in your QuickBooks Payroll. This allows you to track these payments separately from regular wages. Here's how you can do it. Navigate to the Payroll tab in your QuickBooks Online. From there, select Employees. Click on the employee you're issuing the bonus to. In their employee profile, go to the Pay section and click Edit. Under How much do you pay employee name? You'll likely see their regular pay items. Click Add Pay Type. In the drop-down menu, look for Bonus. If you don't see it, you might need to create a custom pay type. To do this, select Create New Pay Type. Give it a clear name like Bonus and under Type, choose Bonus. You can also specify if it's a fixed amount or an hourly rate. Though bonuses are typically fixed amounts. Click Save. Now you have a dedicated bonus pay type ready to use. Once you've set up the bonus pay type, you're ready to actually pay out the bonus. Here's the process. Go back to the Payroll tab and select Run Payroll. Choose the pay period and pay date as usual. When you get to the employee you're paying the bonus to, you'll see the bonus pay type you just created. Enter the gross amount of the bonus in the corresponding field. QuickBooks will automatically calculate the estimated taxes based on the method you have configured. We'll get to that in a moment. Review the entire payroll before submitting to ensure the bonus amount and the calculated taxes are correct. Once you're satisfied, approve the payroll. Now, let's talk about the crucial part, how bonuses are taxed. Unlike regular wages, bonuses are often subject to supplemental wage withholding rules. The IRS offers two main methods for withholding federal income tax on supplemental wages. The aggregate method. This method treats the bonus payment as part of the employee's regular wages for the pay period. You essentially add the bonus amount to their regular earnings and calculate withholding based on the total. This method is generally used when the bonus is paid along with regular wages. The flat rate method. If the bonus is paid separately from regular wages, you can use a flat federal income tax withholding rate. For 2024, this rate is 22% for supplemental wages below $1 million. If the supplemental wages exceed $1 million, the rate is 37%. This method is simpler to calculate when the bonus is a standalone payment. QuickBooks Payroll usually handles these calculations automatically based on how you process the bonus. If you're paying it with the regular paycheck, it will likely use the aggregate method. If you're processing a separate bonus payroll, it might default to the flat rate method. However, it's always a good idea to double-check your settings and understand which method is being applied. You can often adjust these settings within the employee's payroll information or during the payroll processing stage. State and local income tax withholding on bonuses can vary depending on your location. Some states treat bonuses the same as regular wages, while others have specific supplemental wage withholding rules. It's essential to familiarize yourself with your state's regulations to ensure compliance. QuickBooks Payroll typically keeps up to date with these state-specific rules, but it's always wise to verify. Beyond income tax, bonuses are also subject to Social Security and Medicare taxes, just like regular wages up to the annual limits. These are calculated and withheld automatically by QuickBooks Payroll. To keep accurate records and ensure everything is on the up and up, running payroll reports is essential. QuickBooks offers several reports that can help you track bonus payments. Payroll Summary Report. This report provides a comprehensive overview of your payroll for a specific period, including total wages, taxes, and deductions. You'll be able to see the total bonus amounts paid out. Employee Earnings Summary Report. This report shows the earnings, taxes, and deductions for each individual employee. You can use this to verify the bonus amount and the taxes withheld for a specific employee. Payroll Tax Liability Report. This report details the amount of taxes you owe for a specific period, broken down by type: federal income tax, Social Security, Medicare, state and local taxes. This will include the taxes withheld from bonus payments. Custom Reports. You can also create custom reports to specifically track bonus payments. For example, you could filter the Employee Earnings Summary Report to only show transactions with the bonus pay type. Regularly reviewing these reports will help you catch any errors early and ensure accurate financial record keeping. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.